Supreme Court came down hard on the centre today for their failure to appoint judges. This despite the recommendations made by the collegium, in fact lashing out at the government for not acting on the collegium's recommendations. The court said that courtrooms across the country are being locked out because of the lack of judges. Ashmit Kumar, who has been tracking this matter, joins in now. Ashmit, of course, this matter will be taken up later on the 11th of November, but it looks like the Apex Court is running out of patience very clearly.
Well, clearly, I mean, and that is clearly indicated by the choice of words used by the Apex Courts. The Apex Court today observing that the judiciary is being decimated by the inaction of the executive. Now, this, of course, said with respect to the issue of judicial appointments. The collegium today, by way of the Chief Justice of India, today expressed concerns to the Attorney General that they've recommended, they've put forth various proposals that, in fact, were vetted, that were passed after due deliberation, that their candidature has been studied, and only after considering that have the names been forwarded to the Law Ministry. But the government, the Chief Justice observed, appeared to be sitting on it. This, the Chief Justice observed, was unacceptable, going to the extent of saying that the judiciary is being decimated by the inaction of the executive. He again pointed out various examples of various high courts which were running on half the sanctioned strength of judges, and eventually leading to the Chief Justice even commenting that the corridors of justice are being locked out, and further going to the extent that it's imperative that the Attorney General comes out with a clarification, but because if not, the Supreme Court has clarified that they will not be wary of even reaching out to the PMO. This case gets taken up on November 11th.
All right, Ashmit, thanks for joining in with those details. Meanwhile,